Kid, don't worry about going solo. Everybody's nervous the first time out. It's okay.
It's just a clogged sink. No big deal, right?
No big deal. No big deal. It's never just a clogged sink. You got to get in there and really clean those pipes.
Oh, come on. Just give me the apartment number, Larry.
All right. It's apartment number F16, Ms. Tate. I'm going to be fixing a leak in apartment C10. You need anything? Come get me.
Come on, it's not going to be that hard.
Believe me, Timmy, if you're doing it right, it's going to be hard. It's going to be real hard. Lock up the truck when you're done.
You're the new plumber. Come right in. What's your name, boy?
Oh, my name is Tim, ma'am.
Tim. Well, I hope you brought your tools with you.
Oh, yes. All shapes and sizes. Now, let's take a look at that drain.
All shapes and sizes.
Now, you say you may have dropped something down there.
That's right. Do you need any help with that?
No, ma'am.
Well, then, how about something to drink?
No, thank you, ma'am. I'm just going to go down underneath here and try to find the problem.
Tim, if you go down, I think the problem's solved.
Oh. Never that simple, Miss Tate. Never that simple.
So how you doing down there, Stud?
Well, I haven't been able to find anything caught in here, but there sure is a lot of corrosive buildup. I think I'm going to flush it with Drano. What are you doing, Miss Tate?
I want to see how big your monkey wrench is.
Oh, well, that one in my box, it's not very big. It can only hold 1-inch bolts, but I've got a lot more in the truck that are a lot bigger. I can get you a 2.5 torque wrench if you need it.
Don't bother yourself, boy. So, is this your first time out by yourself?
Yeah, how am I doing?
You're very dedicated to your craft.
Thanks. Plumbing's in my blood, you know. So, Mr. Tate's away on business, huh?
Yeah, business. Might as well be away on business all the time.
You and he having problems? I mean, if you don't mind me asking, ma'am.
Well, with Mr. Tate, everything is business. What my husband doesn't seem to understand is that sometimes a woman needs a little romance, a little excitement to keep the relationship alive. Do you know what I mean, Tim? Please say that you do.
Actually, no, ma'am. I'm married to my job. Hold on a minute. I think I just about got it.
Timmy, you about done in here?
Hey, that's my supervisor. Could you tell him I'll be out in 5 minutes?
Mr. Supervisor, I assume? Tim will be through in about 5 minutes. Would you care for a drink? Or maybe you'd rather wait outside until I'm through with him?
Actually, a beer sounds pretty good.
I thought you weren't supposed to drink on the job.
I don't think the boss will mind. Seeing how I own the company, I guess that makes me the boss.
I'll be right back.
Cheers.
Honey, home. What?
Oh, you're a clever man.
Great news, Miss Tate. Your sink's unclogged. And I found your earring.
Tim, I want you to make love to me.
Huh?
Tim, I'm going to be blunt, and I don't think you'll understand that, but when Mr. Tate goes out of town, I call away for special service. As a plumber, you run into this a lot. Now, you have to decide if you want to be a plumber
If you want to be a man...
Oh, no, Miss Tate, maybe we shouldn't. Oh, no. No, I can't. Oh, but it feels so good. Oh, no, no. I mean, didn't your husband just come home?
Oh, who cares, Tim?
Oh, no, I can't. No, Miss Tate, I don't think we should... Oh. But I like it. No. With all due respect, I may clean pipes, but I am not a male prostitute. That'll be $38.
Here's 40. Keep the change.
Oh, well, thank you very much. If I could just get you to sign right there. Oh, well, we hope you call Big Larry's Plumbing for all your plumbing needs.
Oh, yeah, sure, kid.
Why don't you go check out that sink? It's never been cleaner.
Yeah.
Damn it. I've got to break the television.